Dude, it is finished. Wow. But currently I have them mapped to the top or edge of the box, and I think that that's kind of what I'm gonna go with. It really just allows for a greater level of illumination. Anyways, I've been on FreeCAD pretty much chronically the last week. I've just finished the foot model and a bunch of other decal models, which some of them I've shown off already. These are just in my recents. But anyways, this is the foot model that will go on the base of the chest. As you can see, there are 4 holes in it because my 3D printer, I believe, is only 10 by 10. So I can't handle 11.5 inches of part. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to have them connect together in these slits, kind of like Legos. And we're gonna see if that works. I hope it does. But now I need to go and design the other parts of the chest. More specifically, these bars right here and this bar right there. Okay, so one slight issue I had with this project was there isn't a ton of documentation or screenshots of this particular item in Fortnite. So I had to go and play the game and get screenshots of my own so I can reference some accurate in-game photos. As it turns out, it helps me find the angles and the real lengths more in relation to my chest, so that's nice. Hello, this is the point where I delete the sketch because it's such a mess that I can't even deal with it anymore. So yeah. Oh, great. See, that's one thing that FreeCAD does that I don't like. Every time something remotely goes wrong, it has a panic attack. Like, calm down, girl, I just deleted a part. Anyways, we're starting over at that part. Okay, so hopefully it's not evil anymore and we'll print. Okay, buddy, please do your thing. I am begging of you. Okay, so update on the printer problem. There is no longer a printer problem, so that's good. It appears as if the not evil, hopefully, was truly not evil, so I do appreciate that. So if anyone encounters the key error 2001, just reslice your file, clean out your printer, and it seems to just fix itself. Right now, one of these parts are 3D printing. This is the handle that goes on the side of the chest, and it looks like it's almost done. But let's just check our progress here. Yep, 59%. We've only got about 8 minutes left. And boom, here they are. They look nice, but they do need to be deburred. I am currently working on doing one of these beam breaker setups. I'm using this Nick DeFilippo tutorial, and I'm currently trying to get my 2 beam breakers to work. I'm a little unsuccessful with my own setup, so it's always good to follow a tutorial. Hello everyone, welcome to plastic welding. The audio is really bad because I am indeed wearing a gas mask. Because we are burning plastic today. So basically you put the plastic up to here, where the hole is, the imperfections in the 3D printer, and then you heat it up, and eventually it should cover that hole. And just like that, hole covered. Now we can deburr and sand this as needed. Okay, so I spray painted some of the decals. These I'm really happy with. This one you don't need to see the back, but I'm really happy with these. They look nice. This, I did a horrible job sanding, so I'm gonna have to sand it and redo it. Okay, so there's a problem in the back where I'm having a hard time opening the chest. I knew this would happen. I was just going to address it later when I actually had all the parts together. But you see, it's because these corners intersect, and that makes the chest pop out of its frame, which is not what I want. So I am going to have to sand down those corners. Like, I could not have expected it to come out this perfect looking. There are a few things missing, which I will add, and then I'll do a final review. Lights are off. We're gonna try it. We're gonna try it, guys. Dude, it is finished.